Cisco Systems Incorporated is one of the biggest digital communications companies in the entire world, specializing in networking and telecommunications equipment. With a wide range of products including routers, switches, and wireless systems, Cisco provides the infrastructure for data, voice, and video transmission across various devices and locations. Usually, if you want to go into networking or cybersecurity, your best place to start would definitely be by getting some sort of starting certification from Cisco. Which brings us to the topic of today's video, the CCNA. The CCNA is your all-in-one best beginner's course to learn about networking in general. I have made a packet tracer installation guide in the past, and that is one of the softwares that you'll learn how to use in the course. And so in today's video, I'll explain how to enroll yourself for the course, and I will also provide a breakdown for each module in the coming videos. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So the CCNA is a course provided by Cisco that covers the basics of networking. The long form for the name is the Cisco Certified Network Associate, and the first part of the program, which is what I will be discussing, consists of 17 modules, which each of these covering different aspects of networking across 7 layers of hardware, software, and everything in between. So you'll learn about IP addressing protocols, the setup of routers, switches, servers, and hosts on a network, and the function of different types of networks, and a bunch of other things. So to get started, go to netacad.com, click courses at the top left, and look for networking. Once you find it, click on that, and then look for something that says CCNA Introduction to Networks. So click that, and it should take you to a course overview. Read it over if you want, but what you want to do is scroll down and click the button that says Explore Pathway. This will show you a general pathway of what you can do after completing the CCNA course. And the CCNA certification can lead you to a path focused more on cybersecurity or on network infrastructure. So now go back and scroll again until you find an orange button that says Find Academy. Click that and then type in the city that you live in, and you'll get a bunch of results. These are all of the institutions that you can go to learn the course material. Additionally, if you're in the TDSB, then there is a course that focuses specifically on networking that all of this info is taught in, and the course code is TEN3M. I'll be providing links to everything in the description below, so be sure to check that out later. So the exam syllabus is probably something that's going to take you a month to get through, while doing all the labs properly and completing the tests throughout the course. Now, granted, this is with you spending like the whole day studying, okay? So it really depends on how much time you can spend on it every day and how fast your instructor is going. Next, let's talk about the exam. So the exam happens at the end of the course, and to do it, you have to sign up for an account with Pearson Review and book a time to do it. Or you can do it with your instructor if you have the chance to do that. The final exam has about 50 to 60 questions appear on it, and you're given around like 80 to 90 minutes to complete it. Most of the questions are going to be multiple choice, but they can also be drag and drop to match definitions and their keywords to each other. So to complete the exam, it costs around $300, but there is an exam review available if you don't feel ready to do it. I'll link the review below in the description, which has some practice questions attached. The exam review, however, costs $80 though. But also, there is a practice exam that you can do online, which is completely free, and it'll cover all of the possible questions that can appear on the exam. So, for exam review materials and things that'll just help you out in general throughout the course, there is a YouTuber called TechACAD who makes in-depth videos covering all the labs in the course. Additionally, a lot of the resources that you'll need are available online. So if you're stuck and need any advice, that's usually the best way to go. And that should be everything that you really need to do the exam. I'll be covering in depth all of the course material that you may need in later videos, but for now this is all the general information that you need to start. Alright, good luck, have fun, and have a great day.